Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you guys over to the IBM complex on North Street and show you the pedestrian footbridge that they are demolishing. I know growing up it's been there for years and I remember going under it dozens of times, so I thought you guys would be interested to see the progress on the demolition, and maybe as it continues over the next 2 weeks I'll update you again. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Click subscribe down below before we get started, and I'll also show you guys the updated paint job on some of the newer IBM buildings. So yeah, let's go take a look. So, we are starting out at the corner of Grant and North Street, and I do believe this is Building 18, the one that infamously leaked the toxic plume. I forget exactly what the chemical was, all over the southern end of the village here. And the next building up, I don't remember the number, I think it's in the 40s, I used to know it. Maybe there'll be a sign on the door, Building 18, there you go. No, I think Building 18 is the one back here. I don't know which, well, maybe we'll see the number. There's another footbridge. As far as I know, that one's not getting demolished. And coming up here on the left side is McKinley Avenue and North Street. I remember when this intersection used to have a horrendous traffic light that never functioned 100% correctly. It was always like red when there were no cars waiting. But luckily they've modernized it. The beautiful clock tower building right down there. And here we come. There's the cornerstone. That looks cool. Paint job on this building looks really good. I like the two-tone colors. And here we come to the footbridge that is now, they took all the windows out, now partially demolished. You can really see the steel beams. And so what I think they're doing is using these trucks to catch the debris as they knock it off the walkway so that it goes right into the dumpster that's attached to the truck. Now, I don't know if the bridge is like hazardous or in hazardous condition, but I feel like they could open the street up at night when they're not working on it. But, you know, if I had to guess, probably because the bridge is not structurally sound, or maybe during the demolition process, they're going to be loosening it up to the point where it won't be stable. I don't know. If you know, write it down in the comments. But yeah, here's the remains of the footbridge. Yeah, see this truck right here, they got the wings spread out so that it can catch the debris that's falling. So, you know, that makes sense. Maybe I'll put a video or a picture up right now so you can see what the bridge looked like a couple months ago or prior to this demolition. And I know from experience that there's also photos of it from like decades ago when it used to look a lot different. Like those little cross beams that you see right there were like more exposed in older, you know, pre-renovation photos of this bridge. I'll try to find one if I can and put it up for you guys to see. But yeah, there's the paint job on the older side, or the side they're keeping. And then this is the side that's getting, I'll go wide angle here. This is the side that's going to eventually be demolished, and you can just see that it's completely in tatters. Let's see if we can look in one of the windows here. Yeah, it's It's in really rough shape in there. There's all sorts of plaster falling off the ceiling and a random door close sign. Can't even begin to fathom the amount of asbestos that's in here. Well, that's going to do it, guys. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Click subscribe down below if you're not already. And as usual, links to help support the channel are down in the description. You know, just in case you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee to keep me warm on these cold video shoots. Anyway, thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.